Just another quick video. I am the Caveman, and this is Caveman Creations. And in this video, got to work on this rain gutter area. You can see where the water runs down the hill here and up there. And I want it to look a lot better than this and flow. We got a water issue. Not so much on this side, the other side of the house, a lot. I'm going to be working on that in future videos also. But right now I'm just digging this out because you can see that there's a pretty big gap underneath here where the foundation and the siding hit, and that they're off a little bit. So we got to close all this in because that's just, you're just asking for rodents and whatever to come on in. So that's what I'm doing today. Is I'm going to cut a line out from the furthest point of where this water runs off, so right about there. So I'm going to go and remove all this, make a nice line all the way down. So I measured out from the wall and put a line down. So there we go. Started to rain, so I had to do the rest in the rain, and the camera doesn't like rain. What I gotta do now is I have to build this up a little bit because there's too much space there, and then I'm going to put a board running down the whole length and close in the corners, and every seam is going to get closed in. I'm using 6-foot 1x6s, pressure treated, and I'm going to go and paint them up. Cut and fit the first board in, and that's how that looks. And then I got the next one on this side. It's going to go down into the ground to meet up with the other one, and then start running them across the bottom. So I have the corner in, and now I'm going to fill this in with small rock. That's what it looks like so far. Got the pieces out. Now it's time to put it together. Now that I got that down, I'm going to go and fill it in with the small rock. Well, that looks pretty good. Filled in nicely. And that's about it on this project, but I'm gonna keep filming. Don't need a 100-hour video, and you guys get the gist of what's going on. But I'll show you an update photo in another video later on. Till the next one.